named as the recorder, and I have used Scratch to make it. Is nothing but just recording your drawing which you do. The drawing will be done by wherever you move the mouse. This ball will follow and make the drawing. So we'll try it out. We have to use the space bar to start the drawing. Click the space bar and the ball is with my mouse. So now I just take my mouse slowly so that it draws properly, and then I draw something like this, and now I want to stop it. So I press the key S and it stops. Check it out. So I've done something like this, and I'm not moving my mouse, and then it's drawing good. So I'll explain the code right now. This is my code for the ball. So my first exposition was -2, then -2, and then the Y position is this way, this upside down, upwards. Like that it will do, and it will be on stamping wherever it goes. And then press the key S, it will stop all. Stop all is to stop everything. It won't come again. So this is my game, The Recorder. Thank you.